Hello friends, in the white sheet we are trying to make a pattern using your fingers, taking different colors in such a way that it makes you a nice pattern over there. And this pattern, what you can do, you can further draw like this in such a way that it looks like a flower. Isn't it like a pinkish pitch flower like that? Isn't it nice? Like you can use in your drawings. If you have any drawing exam and if you want to draw a flower, this is how you can draw it. Like it's very easy to draw and also a very good looking flower, isn't it? Now going further, we are trying to make leaves over there with the same black marker. This is how you are trying to give it attractive look in such a way like it gives more attractive pleasant look over there. Next one is in the white sheet we are trying to make a green color over there. This is how you are trying to make leaves, that circular leaves, and this is how you are spotting red leaves over there. This is how you are trying to make pattern in such a way that it looks like insects are going inside that, right? Next one is what we are doing. We are trying to make a yellow pattern over there in such a way that after that you are trying to make a orange pattern in it in such a way that it looks like a grassy. This is how you can make a different kind of grass having flowers on it, and this is how you can put white color in order to show it more attractive. Next one is what we are doing. We are pasting a cut paper in top of this white paper. We are trying to color in such a way that this will make a nice tree over there, and this is your clouds. Above that you can see it shows something like spring season. Your flower is so like your tree is so colorful, isn't it? Below that you have grasses, that sun on it. This is how you can make a beautiful scenery. One is a beautiful nice carrot. She is trying to say that she is very good for your health and you should eat it. This is how you are making a cute carrot, having her legs, having her hands, having her eyes. Now next one is we are making different insects and animals. This is how you are making a spider over there, a bee over there, a cat over there, octopi over there. Next one is what we are doing. We are trying to make a green colored and we are trying to give a patterns on it in such a way that it looks like this. This is how you are giving a white color in such a way that it makes a nice attractive flower. You can use different colors also. This is how you are making nice attractive colorful drawing, that flower drawing. Now you are making red dots in such a way that it looks more attractive, more pleasant, more elegant. Okay, this is how you can make a nice drawing, and you are flying that butterflies over there. Now what we are doing, we are making another thing, and this is how you are giving pink color and blue color and its leg. So it's basically a different kind of mushroom, and what we are doing on top of it, we are trying to make something like this so that it will look more pleasant. And this is how you are giving trees and several grasses over there and a snail on top. A snail, she is sitting on top of that mushroom, blue mushroom. You can have another snail over there in pink mushroom if you wish to. This is how you are making that dot patterns so that it will look more attractive, more pleasant, more good. Now what we are trying to do, we are trying to make more patterns using different colors in such a way that it will make a nice look, and this is how it's shining.